Okay, here we are back again. I'm gonna crank that down just a tad. Okay. Um. So yeah. So this is, I think, attempt number 5, which is what I have written on the stream of attempting to edit my previous game dev streams in the Blender video sequence editor. Let me do something real quick. Here, I have that running in the background so I can see if everything is looking okay, running okay, or whatever in the stream. So I basically just watch it as though I were a YouTuber or just a regular person watching YouTube, so I can just see if everything's going okay. Anyways. So basically, what do we got here? I got my timestamps over here. I wonder if there's a way to make the font larger on here. Formats, no. Templates, no. Select edit. Is there a way to... If you're wondering what I'm doing with this, is because I can't see without my glasses very well. I can't see with my glasses very well either, so that's why I prefer to have my glasses off. It just makes things a little bit clearer. Okay, maybe I should switch to desktop. So let's do that. And now you should be seeing the desktop, I think. Okay, let's. Yep, desktop, good. Okay. So I'm gonna expand this full screen because I like full screen. See text. Unscript note, view. I guess I could zoom in. I mean, that's... Let's see if I can just control plus it. Nope. When I want to zoom in. Control wheel up, I see. That's interesting. Okay. Can we get a word wrap on here? We can get a word wrap on here. Good, good, good. There we go. Oh. Back that up just a little bit. That way I can see these better. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so the last time, I think the farthest I've gotten here is... Okay, so before I tried to edit the thing out, I tried to edit the breakout, which is fine, and then I tried to speed up the remaining footage over the cut, and it wasn't somehow it wasn't removing that, and I figured it was because it was maybe a soft cut instead of a hard cut, because you know you can hit K or you can hit Shift K in Blender to do a soft cut or a hard cut. Soft cut means that you can rejigger the ends so that you can kind of fine tune your edit so that more or less is showing when you move that. A hard cut means that it's gone. So, and really, I don't need that to be a hard cut. So yeah, we'll see here how that works. But I don't think I'm going to do the speeding up. I might do the speeding up, the time, whatever they call that. Anyways, we're at speed up the clip. But we're gonna try this first. I'm gonna try just kind of a rough edit, and we'll see how we get on. So this is actually the first video, which is about 3 hours, and I have a second video that I haven't made timestamps for that I keep saying I'm going to, but somehow I always sidetrack myself late at night watching stupid other YouTube videos, sometimes that don't even have anything to do with this stuff, but that's the way it goes. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and really I just want to delete selected strips, right? Okay. Remove gaps, backspace. I don't know what that means then. Oh, I maybe I do know what that means. Here, let's. Is that shift? Okay, shift. If I hit backspace now, it should. No. Remove gaps. All gaps. I don't know. Okay, let's not worry about that. Let's just, I guess, just move this. Snap should still be on, so that should be alright. Now here's the thing. Let's, I'm talking through the whole stream, so I don't have many pauses. Now I do have pauses at times when I am trying to research something, trying to figure something out, and trying to work something out, especially in the coding and stuff, which you'll see in a later stream, or I should say, was like day before yesterday, 2 days before yesterday. Anyways, I was working on some code, and then I got to the point of where I kept trying stuff, and I wasn't really talking much there. But here, okay, so let's actually put the playhead at the front here, and I'm going to play, and I'm going to see if these low points are actual silence. It's not true silence because my webcam picks up everything, so I get background noise. But I think these spikes is where I'm actually talking. So I'm gonna have to find something. I don't know if there's a plugin or anything that helps you like remove gaps with in Blender's video editor. But I'm gonna have to look and see if there is any, because that'll speed up things quite a bit. Okay, so let's just play a few minutes of this, or a minute of this. Actually, here, let's do something real quick. I'm going to turn on the desktop audio temporarily, because I'm just playing my audio from my video here. Okay. Does it work? It's working? Let's see what's going on here. That is the sound of furious typing. And apparently I'm doing some humming or something. Very nice. You know what? I should have did even more, kind of a more timestamps, because I'm not even talking here. 5. But appears to be working. Okay, maybe, just maybe, I decided that maybe I decided that I should start at 15 minutes, because that's where it actually starts me, and that's why I did that. Let's see something here. Let's play a little bit more. Several minutes. Oh, wow. Probably going back and forth. Okay. So right there, I'm just kind of setting stuff up, so I'm not even talking, at least like I normally do anyways. So here, let's scrunch this up so we can actually get to let's just go ahead and here. Let's see what I'm doing here. Oh, fine then. Let's look at it down here then. See, that more or less I'm talking to myself. I'm not actually talking to the stream, right? So, okay. All right, let's actually go all the way up to 15 here, and let's play from here, or something like that, sometime soon. Okay, so let's just go into. Extract. Huh, list of features, that's not really what I'm interested in. Operating system. Okay. Still trying to find out what I'm supposed to do to get it running in Linux. It might be the version of Linux I have. I'm running Linux Mint Debian Edition 6. So, okay, so I'm sure. Speaking about here. Stream is running. You know, I timestamped. I went through and timestamped, but I didn't really watch what I was doing there. I just kind of, you know, went through it and said, "Oh, here's something here," and be fine. And not right now. And maybe it's just a okay. Okay, let's go all the way back. I am just scrolling up. It doesn't really matter. We'll just extract right now. This is a location. Then it says. See, at this point, I wasn't. The scene was on. The OBS scene was on the browser only, not on the desktop, so you couldn't see what I was doing. It pops up a thing. I don't know where I should put this just yet. Normally, I have a drive. Usually, it's a drive D or whatever, and in this case, it would be my 8 terabyte storage drive, and I have a alrighty. This okay. So I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm reading up stuff. So if I do this like a like just a voiceover, then I could just kind of pick and choose clips. I don't really have to worry too much about where the edit is, because I'm not doing my audio, I'm just doing okay. Let's see something here. I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna start cutting. Wherever I feel like it, I guess. Here, let's put the playhead up here. Let's scrub through here. Okay. How to install Redot. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I am going to go ahead and actually do a cut right here, and I'm just gonna do a hard cut. I mean, normally, you know, as I get better with video editing, I might want to just start going back to the soft edits, because I can kind of finesse where I want the cut to go. But right now, since I don't exactly know where specifically I should cut it, and because sometimes I'm like half mumbling, and then sometimes I am like saying what I'm doing, I am I don't know exactly where to cut, so I'm just gonna do a hard cut and just even if it's horrible, I'm just gonna be like, fine, it's horrible. I just need to get an edit done. I need it done quick, right? It's just gonna be an update. In fact, I'll probably do a voiceover of the update, so I don't really need to worry about where it's cut at. I can just cut in pieces, and it'll act sort of like a time lapse. Not a frame by frame time lapse, but it'll act like a time lapse. So okay, so let's just do that. Let's okay, so we're here. Okay, we need to select these strips here, and here, let's do that from right there. Let's do a Shift K. Okay, let's select this. Let's hit X to delete. Interesting. Delete data. I don't want to delete any data. I'm just gonna delete the strip or whatever. Okay. Actually, I'm not really clear about the soft versus the hard cut, because what I understood is the soft cut allows you to do stuff like rejiggering the ends to meet, like if you cut it too soon or too late, you could move the ends back and forth because it's not really cut, it's non-destructive cut. Hard cut is supposed to be destructive cut, which means you can't recover it. Now when I hit X, delete strips, but delete data, what data does, what is this data? Delete the associated data also. And what is associated data? What does that mean? I'll have to look that up. But okay, so this is what we want to do. Let's go ahead and shrink this, and I think there's something like a shift. Select, move, no, select, grab, no. That's not what I want. Okay, let's just do, how do I do ripple editing in Blender 3.3 VSE? Okay, let's let the AI tell me here, because maybe it'll do it kind of quicker. No, doggone it. It acts like I want to do a wave or something, like a ripple in a wave. No. Here we go. Holding Alt while placing a strip. Okay, Alt. It's Alt. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do... What? Let's try that again. Okay. What? This has something to do with Linux, right? Or with Cinnamon or whatever? What's the deal? What's the deal? Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'm hitting Window, not Alt. Okay. That probably... No, this is Alt. Let me see something here. Oh, insert. I'm in Linux Mint Debian Edition. I was trying to, I hit left click plus Alt key combo. To hopefully move several strips in the timeline in Blender VSE, but instead it shrunk the window down and allowed me to move the window. Let's see what it says. Must be a Linux thing. Default behavior Alt key in Linux Mint Debian Edition by Alt key is assigned to move and resize windows, which overrides Blender's intended use of Alt left click for selecting edge loops. Edge loops in the video sequence editor. Yeah, edge loops in the video sequence editor, sure. Go to the Windows section, behavior, move and resize. Special key to move and resize to Alt or Super. Another key combination. Okay. So that would probably be in preferences. Would be in there, I think. Windows. Behavior. Special key to move and let's do Super. Okay. Now I am using the Super for the function keys for OBS, but right now it's just the function keys. So hopefully that won't mess with anything here. So we'll do this. Draggable border width. Huh. Okay. Let's just go ahead and close that. Let's see what happens now. Let's do the deal. Let's do Alt. Click. Oh. Oh. Why? What the heck happened? What did I just do? Connect strips? Oh, I wonder if they were... Okay. Alright, let's do something then. Let's make sure... What's going on? What is going... What the heck is going on? Something moved somewhere that it wasn't supposed to. I don't understand. Let's do a book to Control Z's. Control Z, D, Z, 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 Z. Can we undo? Wait a second here. This is, okay, this is the start of the break, and then the break is gone, right? Okay. 439, let's make it, I don't know, let's make it 900,000 as the end. Like that way I can, okay. So let's make sure connect strips. Make sure connect strips. Make sure these are connected. I think. In fact, let's check. I know you're not supposed to like check your edit here all the time because it slows you down, but I'm going to check it just in case here. So test project. I don't know if I was really planning to start right this second. Look at that. It's almost 2 o'clock. Sounds like it's raining. I'm going to take a break. Let's see here. This is where I was taking a break. Take a break here for a second. And this is just my desktop. This scene is just the browser window. And let's see. I haven't messed with this in a while. Let's call this. What do I want to call it? Here, let's call it intermission. Okay, so I want... Alright, so that was actually pretty seamless, interestingly enough. To execute. Okay, let's go ahead and pause. Let's go back. I have to also look about proxies, because from what I understand is Blender by default now actually does video proxies, so I don't actually have to set it. But I don't know. Maybe I'll still want to set it at some point. I don't know. We'll see. I do know that. Okay, so what I want to do here, let's do this again. Let's select this. Oh, how come? Wait a second. Connect strips. I don't know, there's something weird going on here, because these aren't no longer connected here. Why are they not connected? Connect them. Oh, so if you hit connect them and they're already connected, then disconnect them? Is that the deal? Okay. Now, what was I going to do? I was going to go to 15-minute mark. And actually, what I did is I did, right. Right. Okay. Okay, so I can frame. And I'm just doing arrow frame. I don't know really how to step it here, but there we go. Just right about there. Let's go ahead and do a Shift K on that. Okay. Select these two. But okay, so what happened? Why is that like overlapping and stuff? What did I do wrong? What's the deal here? Okay, so how come Shift K? How come Shift K does that? I did a hard. So why did it do that? Okay. Somehow it's moving strips over, and I kind of don't get why. I kind of don't get why these like are weird overlapping kind of thing, and I don't get it. This should not move at all. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Okay, that doesn't make sense to me. I don't know why. Okay, so what if I just do a K here? What happens? Okay. If I do a hard. How come hard? Oh, see, it's what it's doing is, see, it's a replacing. Is that because of variable frame rate, maybe? Okay. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. Okay, because that's showing there. It's showing. Okay, so if I move it over here, see, now it's showing the break again. And that's the problem I was having before. Is, I mean, that could be because it's a variable frame rate. Everything that I looked on these original files, though, said that they weren't variable frame rate. So I don't know if that's the issue. Okay, let's ask the AI again. Let's see something here. So I made a hard cut in my video in the Blender video sequence editor. I made a hard cut. Then another. I should have said made two hard cuts, and then deleted the clip in between the cuts. Okay, which worked fine, but when I selected the first clip and made another hard cut on that, then the original clip I had cut out returns and snaps to the end of where I cut. So then half of the video looks overlapping and the original clip looks like it's replaced. Any ideas? I'm just actually, oh dang. Yeah, you can't get too long. In fact, you can't take too long to you can't have too long of a conversation, otherwise it'll start corrupting. I'm guessing because it runs out of like tab memory or something. It starts acting all weird and funky. Okay, made two hard cuts. Okay, so using Blender 4.3 VSE, made two hard cuts, Shift K, and deleted the clip in between them, which worked fine, but when I made another hard cut elsewhere, suddenly the deleted clip was back. Let's see if it says anything there. Encountering issues. Here's a summary of the problem. Initial deletion. You made two hard cuts. Deleted the clip in between them. Worked as expected. When you made another hard cut elsewhere, the deleted clip suddenly reappeared. Possible cause is cache issue. Might have not updated clip correctly. Strip offset. When you deleted the clip, its strip offset might not have been updated correctly. This caused the clip to reappear when you made another hard cut. Check the strip offset values and ensure they are correct. Metastripper adjustment layer. Use a metastripper adjustment layer to manipulate the clips. Possible to delete the clip was still referenced within that layer. Try disabling or removing the metastrip or adjustment layer to see if it resolves the issue. Try deleting the clip again and re-importing the original footage. This might reset the VSE's internal state to resolve the issue. Huh. Okay, that I don't know if that's let's see. Properties panel. What do I want? What do I want to look at? Strip offset. I don't know. CFPS 60. I don't know. I don't know why it's acting weird like this. Okay, anybody watching here? No, that's okay, I guess. Okay, so probably no one is watching, but I'm trying to make various hard cuts and it's acting weird. Wait. I'm using VSE to edit a stream down, and there we go. Acting. Okay, so okay, let's do something here. Let's delete Control S, and let's re-import Blender projects, source video. Oh, wait a second. Let's go up one. Okay, source video. Okay, so one, right? Okay, so this could be, because it's MKV, it could be, here, let me ask the AI something too here. Could variable frame rate account for this? I don't think I'm variable frame rate, but I just wanted to see if it comes up. Haircuts can be problematic and the cause of video to freeze or skip frames, especially when dealing with different frame rates. Okay. Refresh sequencer. Actually, it should be motion JPEG anyways. Alright. So okay, so let's just go ahead and re-import the clip. Start frame. Start frame 0. Okay. Place selection. Okay. Let's do something here. Let's do that. Let's go all the way up to what was it? 56? Okay. I don't even care if it's, well, I cared a point, I guess. Okay, let's just do that here. Let's do Shift K. Didn't do it, did it? Shift K. Let's go up to 148. Okay. Shift K. Let's select this. Delete. Okay. And let's stick the playhead over here. Let's see if it does the exact same thing. It might do the exact same thing. Okay, so okay. Shift K. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. This looks like it's doing it appropriately. In fact, it looks like, that's interesting. No. Control Z. I want to put a cut in there. I don't want it to change it. Let's see something here. Okay. K does that. Hard. Hard does. Soft. Hard. Oh, well, interesting. Okay, so it's not doing anything weird here. It doesn't look weird here. Other than it looks like it's changing the frames that it's showing. So if that's the case, then this should still go like normal. Okay, let's see if it goes like normal here. Stuff that I put this stuff into. I could just do it in there, I guess. It's on MTFS, so okay, wait, let's bump it up. That's interesting. So apparently you can't just run it unless it's because it's on NTFS, because DataStar right now is an NTFS drive, which will probably eventually just completely switch over to ext4. Use open with dialog to pick a program to open, cancel. Okay, so let's. It's okay that it's okay that it's right there. I can just leave it there. Let's close that. It's like you don't see what I'm doing just because you see the cursor in the browser. We can do a search. How to install Godot in Linux. Let's see if there is a. Okay, so far it looks like now we are well over the cut. So it didn't actually do anything here when I redid the deal. There we go. Alright, distribution, clone. Now I don't need a clone. Okay, so we're going to assume that that the cut worked like it's supposed to. Okay, so let's hit delete. Okay, let's do this. Let's move it. That, snap it to the beginning, that's fine. Yeah, let's do that in Linux. Let's see if there is a redot. Okay, that's kind of okay. Alright, let's go ahead and move this over here and boop. Awesome. Okay, first phase of the edit. Alright. Now, I don't know how. Okay. Oh, it's not going to. I see, I guess. Oh, well, that's not. That's not. Okay, so something is still not right, is it? Let's see something here. No, that's right. Oh, but yeah. Okay, so look at. Okay, so at least it's giving me a kind of an error. Okay, so what's this error? What? Yeah, so it's still not working right, is it? I mean, I can do soft cuts all the way. That's fine, I guess. I didn't want to do soft cuts, though, because I was figuring that was what was screwing me up. Because originally I was doing soft cuts in my original video. Okay, so, fine. This is going to be harder than I thought. And I'm not even sure what the problem is. I mean, the problem could be I'm using MKVs. Okay, could be that. Could be that even though I think it's constant frame rate, it could be variable frame rate, it could be screwing stuff up. I am not really sure. What does it mean with a triangle exclamation mark like a caution sign in the upper left corner of the strip. The whole strip is red. The red strip triangle exclamation mark warning is a warning indicator. A specific cause not explicitly stated in the provided information. Missing frames, incorrect settings, or problems with the video or audio strip. Troubleshooting. To resolve this, you can try to check the video and audio strips for any errors, verifying that all necessary frames are present, and ensuring. Okay. That might mean I need to remux my files, maybe. I don't know. I need to somehow force a constant frame rate. So well, I could understand. The VSE equals what? You're in Blender channel, you don't know what the VSE is? I mean, you should know what it is even if you don't use it. I'm surprised someone doesn't know it, even if they don't use it, since it's part of Blender. It's called the Video Sequence Editor, and it's Blender's video editor. I'm surprised someone doesn't know it even if they don't use it, since it's part of Blender. It's called the Video Sequence Editor, and it's Blender's video editor. So if that guy doesn't even know what the Video Sequence Editor is, okay. Cool. I'm possibly thinking it's because I'm using OBS to record, and some people were talking about there being a problem with OBS saving as variable frame rate. Might explain my problem, but whenever I examine the files, they all look like a constant 60 FPS to me. Maybe I should go into the Discord. Yeah. Oh, don't tell me I have to update again. Doggone ya. Fine, download. I don't care. No, you don't. No, let's go into downloads. I don't know why it wants to do that, because it's probably the last place I saved something. Discord, done. Update, install package, come on. Alright. Okay. What time is it? 2:09. Actually, what time? I'm gonna check the stream here real quick. An hour and 14. Okay, an hour 14. All right, so let's go into Discord. Let's check out Blender. Where's the Blender Discord? I know it's in here somewhere. Wait, I thought. There we go. There's Blender. Okay. Help. Huh. There's nothing about helping the video sequence editor, though, is there? Forum. Posted 3 minutes ago. Let's check in the help general chat. Let's see if anybody's chatting in here for some reason. Anyone in here familiar with the VSE? I have to ask that because some people don't even know what the VSE is. That's just weird to me. It's not weird that you don't use something, because people, I'm sure there's tons of people that wouldn't use the Blender video sequence editor because all they're doing is, rendering and stuff. They're not really interested in editing footage. And then a lot of people actually just don't use it because it's maybe they consider it inferior to other more mature editing packages. Godot 4. Okay. Anyways, okay. At least somebody replied. Just ask the question you actually want to ask. Yeah, I get that. I get the whole thing about, don't ask just to ask and stuff like that, I want to know if there's somebody in here that can answer my question first before I ask the question. Because if they don't know what it is, then I'm wasting my time. The reason I don't just ask a question outright is because half the time people may not even know what I'm talking about, and then don't give me any answer, and I think they're okay. I think they're not talking to me on purpose, rather than they don't know anything. Okay, or how about the, and I think they're ignoring me instead of just not knowing. Secondly, I know it'd be easier to just ask a stupid question. I get tired of this same kind of response. I usually ask if there's someone first, because it tends to waste time. Darn it. Alright. I like to know there's someone knowledgeable first, so that I don't have to think people are ignoring me. Okay, forget it. Let's see. I was gonna ask about. Okay, what was I going to ask? I was gonna ask something about the dang stupid. Okay. Hard cuts in the sequence editor are acting weird. Sequence editor acting weird. But it may be because I'm using KV files recorded in OBS. And didn't mean that as a direct reply to you. I meant to anyone. Okay. Now it looks like I don't know how to use Discord either, which maybe. Okay, so and also right now I'm streaming my attempt at editing my footage so I can actually show just what's going on if anyone knows about the VSE and cares to tune in. Okay, here, let me go to OBS here. Okay, concurrent viewers, this is kind of weird to me. It's fine if it doesn't count me as a concurrent viewer. Well, I'm still running, so I don't know why. Okay, that doesn't really matter that much. Anyways, yeah, so see all of this like weirdness, and it's extending off into the distance. I have no clue why it's doing that. Overlapping or doing something weird. Huh. Maybe I'll do that anyways, because I can't explain it. But I'll need to find out how to make sure it's set to constant bitrate. Maybe convert to MP4 or something. Okay, so nobody knows how to use it because nobody freaking uses it. Why they don't freaking use it? Because other programs are better? Sure. Yeah, other programs are better. But how's this ever going to get better if nobody uses it, right? Okay. So I can't even get to the end of this clip here. Control Z. See how far I can go. Okay. How come it's 108? Maybe I should maybe I should start over before. I'll do this before trying to re-encode, I think. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and do File, New, Video Editing. Don't save. Okay. Let's go into the File folder. And still streaming. Okay. There's 161 dropped frames too. Huh. That's interesting. I'm not recording that, so that doesn't really matter. But okay, so it doesn't matter to me. Whatever. It's still running. That's good, I guess. And let's see. Okay, let's do what I said. Blender projects. This. We are going to go ahead and. Okay, we're going to go ahead and delete. We're going to delete this. Blend 1, blend. We're going to delete that. Okay. Let's do the thing here. I just want to add an extra deal here. I want it to be a I want it to be the text editor. I want to open the file, dev stuff, Blender, projects, this one, timestamps, open text. Okay. Text, let's do word wrap. And let's zoom in. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so let's okay, so we're going to save this, and we're going to save it as we're actually going to save that as the okay. Zero 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 one. Wednesday. Was it? Okay, let's bring this up here. Because I want to name it the same as the directory here. Okay. Wednesday, November 27th. Do I do a comma? Yes, I do. November 27th, 2024. dot blend. It's kind of cool. I can do full names here, I think. Okay, let's save the Blender file. Okay. Blender file. Okay, now let's go to videos. No, let's go to dev stuff, Blender, Blender projects, source video, #1, and let's bring that into the timeline. Okay. Control Z. Oops. Okay. Okay. Open this text. Okay, that's fine. I want to turn this on, snapping. That's what I wanted to do in the first place. Okay, let's go to channel 1. I don't know if it's snapping or not. It doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save it again. Okay. 108, 849, 84. Let's see if I can do that many frames. Okay, so where is frame end here? Let's make that 108, 849, 84. How short can I make this? See, I can make it really short, it looks like. Oh, wait a second. It's acting like it's longer. Okay, there's something weird about that. Fine, let me go into source video. Let's go into that one. Let's go to that. Let's open with media info. Media info. 3 hours and 1 minute. So it should be 3 hours and 1 minute. Why is it not 3 hours and 1 minute in here? There's something weird? There's something weird to start with. Huh. Okay, let's do something here. Let's bring this up to 3 hours. Why is okay? Okay, let me see something here. I need to calculate the frame numbers. I want to see if the frame numbers match what it says it has. So it's going to be 3 hours and 1 minute, and I don't know how many seconds, but okay, so okay, 3 hours. 3 times 60 is easy enough. 180. Okay. Plus 1, we'll just say equals 181. Okay, so we're 60 seconds per minute equals 10,860 seconds times 60 frames per second equals. Okay, so right there is a problem. That's a problem right there. Okay, it's not even reporting the proper size. So I might still need to do that, huh? Let's go into Discord. Apparently, it's not even reporting the correct clip size. Maybe that's... okay. So it's not even reporting the correct clip size. Could be that could be that it's encoded with the H.265. GVC. It could be that OBS screwed with the frame rate. I don't know. All I know is I need to fix it, and I guess one way to do it is by using Handbrake. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I got the latest version of I got the latest version of Blender from the website, like I would normally would in like a Windows environment, because I wanted the latest version, because the versions here in this package manager, the software manager, are not up to date. So let's check out Handbrake. Guess? Handbrake. Video checks. Coder. And let's check the home page to make sure that we're at the latest version. 1.9.0 Flatpak via FlatHub. And that's actually fine. Actually, I can do that, or I can do it through the software manager, because it looks like the software manager is up to date. 1.9.0. Okay. Install. Continue. Alrighty. The only thing is, I don't really want it to re-encode anything. Exactly. Although I might have to, considering the possible problem. I don't know. Do I? Okay. Let's see something here. When is it demuxing, remuxing? Muxing an MKV file recorded from OBS to MP4. Is there with Handbrake? Is there a way to make sure it it's constant bitrate? I guess I'm telling it, make sure it's encoded as constant bitrate. However, I don't really want it necessarily to do that. I just want it to fix it and make sure that it's set to a constant bitrate, because that's really what the file is. Remixing an MKV file from OBS to MP4 with Handbrake. You cannot directly achieve a constant bitrate because Handbrake doesn't support video pass-through, which means it'll re-encode the video stream. This re-encoding process inherently introduces variable bitrate. No. Did I say bitrate? I meant frame rate, I bet. I said bitrate. Constant frame rate. There we go. Remuxing preserves the original video and audio streams, whereas re-encoding involves recompressing. Okay. Handbrake can re-encode MKV files to MP4, but remuxing is a better option if you want to maintain quality or minimize recoding artifacts. MKV files can have variable frame rate, whereas MP4 files can have CFR. When remuxing MKV file to MP4, the resulting file may still have VFR if the original MKV file had VFR. To ensure CFR, it's recommended directly from OBS to record directly from OBS in MP4. Remixing an MKV file recorded from OBS to MP4 may not. FFmpeg can be used to remix MKV files to MP4, preserving CFR. Use the following command. I'd have to get FFmpeg by itself, I guess. Still want to use Handbrake. Can you try setting the force CFR up under advanced? However, this may not work as intended. Keep in mind this is okay. Well, actually, here, somebody. Okay, that was from 2018 though, so it's quite a bit of time back now. I started recording in MKV format to avoid corrupting files. It works amazing. Allows multiple audio tracks. Necessary to remix it to MP4 afterwards. Otherwise, Vegas won't play it. Thing is, when remixing it via OBS, I'm getting a variable frame rate file. Is there any way to remix and keep a constant frame rate? It doesn't change the frame rate. It was variable as MP4. It was variable as MKV. Post your recording settings or log file. Constant and variable bit rate. Not talking about bit rate. You're talking about frame rate. It's different. Playing here versus variable rate has nothing to do with CFR. Constant frame rate versus variable frame rate. OBS produced media files should all be CFR. However, there's an issue I've been investigating. Now, this is back in 2018, so they could have fixed it, but maybe they didn't. Remix file is read as VFR by media reading, parsing, probing tools, where the original file is read as CFR. This even occurs when attempting to remix directly with FFmpeg. I have a few theories and some test code, but I need to do some more experiments. Okay. Looking at this again. No, it's not specifically a problem with OBS. As far as I know, remixing with FFmpeg from command line will default parameters will exhibit the same issue. Doing some testing for remix operation to stick to the specified frame rate from metadata, but I need to do a lot more testing. Thank you guys for solving this problem. This entry, you can remix, keeping all the audio tracks and constant frame rate. Use the following command. Right, FFmpeg worked. No need further. Okay. MP4 tools for macOS, awesome too. Media info is also reporting the range of constant to variable frame rate. Yeah, they're all suggesting to download FFmpeg by itself. I think I'm still going to try. I'm going to try to, I guess, re-encode or redo or whatever you want to call it. So we'll see here. File. Open. Okay, open source stuff. Blender projects. Source video. That. Open. Okay, 3 hours and 1 minute. Okay. Preset. MP4 container. That's fine. How come it 30 FPS what? It shouldn't be 30 FPS, it should be 60 FPS. So what's the deal? What's it reading? Why is it? Or is it saying that's what how it's going to save it? Presets. Format. I could actually. Makes me wonder if I should not be recording in 30 FPS. I have it saved as 30 FPS. Actually, I don't care that much, do I? Do I care if it's in 60 FPS versus 30 FPS? I mean, I'm not doing anything different here. What if I just do start and we'll see what happens? Seems to be going pretty fast, actually. Oh, ETA 38 minutes, though. Yeah, that is not enough to... Because it's got to re-encode it, I guess. Q... General. Very fast. Devices. It's professional. Production max. What is that? Oh. Oh. It's not doing it halfway through it, is it? I don't know if I just kind of screwed it up by switching the preset. Stop. Cancel current and stop. Let's see something here. Blender. Projects. Source video. Okay, it didn't do anything. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Professional. Hardware. HV. Let's see. Web. View, let's see. Q file, save as. Let's close that. Okay, so let's is it under graphics? What's it under? Oh, sound and video. Okay. Open source. Let's do this again. Let's do Blender projects. That source video. That. Open. Okay. What's PFR stand for? Does that have to do with frame rate? Perceived frame rate? I don't know. 30 FPS. Okay. Source 1920 by 1080, 60 FPS, SDR, one audio track. That's fine. Okay. Dimensions. Okay. Filters. No filters. Video encoder. Frame rate. Oh, constant versus peak frame rate. Constant is something that I want. Okay. Okay. And same as source. Constant call be fast decode, tune profile level. Okay, that will probably work, and it'll probably take forever to encode. So, yeah. So I don't know if I'll be able to edit these. We'll have to see after it encodes. So I guess maybe the stream is going to be ended today. Early. We'll see, I guess. Video encoder. Okay. frame rate same as source, constant. Is same as source the same as me setting it to 60 because it's supposed to be 60? Or is same as source meaning it won't do constant? See, constant versus variable frame rate. Okay. Okay, modified. Alright. I don't care about the bit rate or anything. Okay. Let's just do... Okay, let's just... I guess we'll just start then, right? Summary. Optimize the layout of the MP4 file for progressive download. This allows the player to initiate playback before downloading the entire file. Interesting. I almost could do that, but I am going to be... Okay. There we go. Constant frame rate. 60 FPS, constant frame rate. Okay, that sounds good. So I'm just going to go ahead and start, and if it takes an hour, then it takes an hour, I guess. Okay, start. Oh, let's see something here. Okay, so it wants to do it to videos. Videos, it must have already started. It did start. Okay, let's delete that. Okay. And okay. 2. Actually, let's go ahead and just do it to videos. That's quite alright. Okay, and I'm just going to start it. And then it's going to tell me how long it's going to take. 48 minutes, approximately. Okay, well, I guess, you know, I mean, I still have time, like, well, maybe I don't, because an hour from now is 3:40, and then I guess I don't have time after that, so, yeah, I guess the stream's going to be cut short. Alrighty, kind of ticks me off, but okay. Let's go ahead and delete all. I still don't know what delete data is, if it's going to delete my source files or something. So, delete data. Maybe I should ask about that here. When I delete strips in Blender 4.3 video sequence editor, it has a thing about deleting data as well. What is this? And can I do it without it deleting my actual source video? Let's see what this says. Designed to work with hierarchical recursive clean data blocks feature. No. I mean, when I click delete strips, at the bottom is a little box that has a drop down arrow that when I open it, it says it has a checkbox that says delete data. What is this, and is it safe for my original video files? You can select the strip. I know. Okay, then I cut. Delete the strip. Delete data option. Then you can adjust the start and end frame by adjusting the. Press N to show the properties. That's delete data option. Blender 4.3 VSE. Delete strips. Delete data option. What is it? Here, I'll look at that. Allows you to remove selected strips from the time. Okay. Yes, I know that. Okay, so moving M frame, hint, snap strips, clear strips, offset, clear position, clear scale, clear rotation, clear all, split, hold split, duplicates, delete, delete selected strips. Delete data. Let's see what pops up on a search for that. Vertex group, editing, jeez, video editing, edit your project. Strips. Adding strips. Scene strip. Clip. Mask. See, I don't know. Either I just don't know how to search, or I'm just dumb, I guess. Movie strip. Don't care about that. Sound. Don't care about that. Image sequence. Nope. Color strip. Nope. Text. Adjustment layer. Effect. Gaussian blur. Next, transitions. Selecting. Editing. Overlap mode defines the result of transforming a strip so that it overlaps another strip. Shuffle. Overwrite. Expand. Snapping. Current frame. Hold offset markers. Ignore. Move. G moves all selected strips. Move your house horizontally left to right. Change the position. Control. Okay. Start frame offset. End frame. Slip. Strip. Contents. Trying to find scale to fill, clear position, clear scale, split. This is kind of where I was anyways in the other page, but that's alright. Hold split, duplicate, delete, strip, delete, delete selected strips, update scene range, movie strip, effect, clear fades, retiming, retiming keys. Reset retiming, that's cool, I guess. Does it have like an index or something? Manual index. Dang it, what's the delete data option? Delete data as a phrase. Assignment, cleanup. Data transfer, data block menu, data blocks, deleting and dissolving. Editing, data block, data flows, data sets. Is nothing that's up? Gosh, it gets me. What is the delete data option on the when you delete a clip? In Blender 4.3 video sequence editor. Tell me what it is, please. When you do the clip, the delete data option allows you to choose whether to remove only the reference to the clip or also delete the underlying data associated with the clip. This option is useful for managing data blocks and reducing file size. If you choose delete the data, it will be removed from the blend file, whereas if you only remove the reference, the data will still be present in the file but not linked to any clip. That's what I wanted to know. So this should not affect the actual source video, just the data in the blend file. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's good. So, delete. Okay. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so I guess, okay. Yes. And we'll restart in a little bit. Or at least, I guess I'll restart it later. Maybe I will test this out today while not on stream, just to see if I can get it working. I don't know. Might have to actually let's see how this is doing. 23%, not too bad, but that's going to take forever. Alright, let's just head back here. I'll say thanks for bearing with me. If you've watched this far, maybe you watched it from YouTube, maybe didn't, but I didn't get anything done here really today. I'm going to have to take Handbrake. I'm going to have to re-encode that, and then I have to go bring it back into Blender and see if that fixes my problem. If it fixes my problem, then I'll have to do that from now on. I'll have to take my source videos and then run them through Handbrake, and then it should be easy to edit, and then I'll be able to actually edit something, hopefully. So we'll see. I guess thanks for watching. I'll just have to sign out now here.